Simple table creation. In the previous lessons, we have used only the emp table. This table is created as a default in the installation of the Oracle database. Here in this lesson, we are going to discuss data definition language. Let's see the definition of data definition language. Data definition language is used to create, alter, and drop the database objects. Database objects are nothing but tables, views, indexes, etc. Here we will see how to create a simple table. We will discuss the other database objects in upcoming lessons. Take a look at this image. Here we have given the query, create a table. The Oracle server processes the query and creates a table in the database as we have seen. We will observe this practically later in this lesson. Now we can discuss the syntax for creating a table. In this syntax, create table is a key word to create a table in the database. Table name is the name of the table to be created. Column name 1 to column name n specifies the names of the columns to the table. In this column definition, we must specify the data type of a column. It specifies the type of data and the length of data to be stored. In this column definition, we can also specify the default expressions. It will be useful when we provide default values to the specific columns. Before creating a table, decide the column names and data types. Let us create a table named Details. Here we are going to store the details as a serial number, name, phone number, age, and city. Before creating the table, we have to decide the data types for these columns. Let's see how to create a table with these specifications. First, go into SQL Plus and type the statement in the SQL prompt like this. Here we have written a statement to create a table named Details. In this table we have created columns named No, name, phone number, age, and city. Now press the Enter key to execute this statement. Let's discuss each element of this table creation statement. Create table is a key word to specify the creation of a new table. Details is the name of the table. This table contains the columns. First, No column is going to store the serial number, so it is defined as a numbered data type. Then, Name column is going to store the name, so it is defined to hold the name length of 20 characters. Phone number column is created to store the phone number of 10 digits. Age column is created to store the age, so it is declared as an integer. City column is created to store the city up to 20 characters. Finally, this shows the result as table created. This means that we have created the table Details successfully. Note that while creating a table, column names must be user-defined names and should not be Oracle keywords. Table creation with default option. In this lesson, we will see the method of creating a table with the default option. We can use the default option while creating a table to give the default values for the columns. In the previous lesson, we created a table named Details with some columns. Here we will see the method to create a table with the default value option. By using this option, the column values are taken into default when we forget to insert a value. Take a look at this statement. Here we have created a table with the default option. In this table, we have given the default value for the department column as general. While assigning values to the table, if we did not insert any value in the department column, then the default value is assigned to that corresponding row. We will see the method of inserting values into the tables in upcoming lessons. I hope you understand about the creation of the table with default option. Here we will see the command used to display the structure of this created table. For this we need to use the describe command. This command is used to display the structure of the table. Here we will see how to describe the structure of the table we have created earlier. Type the statement like this: describe test, and depress Enter key. Now we will see the structure of the table test. Here it shows the structure of the table by displaying column names and their data types. Similarly, we can use this command to see the structure of any table. We can also use this command to view the structure of all other database objects, like function, procedure, view, and so forth. In this lesson, we have discussed how to create a table with the default option and how to see the structure of the table.